Hello. Didn't see you there. Welcome back to another episode of Datsun 280Z Restoration, where the only thing more real than our love for cars, our mountain of credit card debt. Don't believe me? Ask my wife. She doesn't live here anymore. Let's get started. Oh, Lord, yeah.
Someday I'll find her, and I'm still